In this video I want to show you how to lower the rear seat of your Volvo V50. This way you're gonna have a really big cargo space. So first step is to go over here in the middle of the seat cushion. Okay, on each side you're gonna get a loop. Maybe it's inside, okay, maybe it's hidden this way. So try to fish it with your fingers. Okay, and once you see it, simply pull on that loop. Same thing over here. This will make the seat cushion be able to sit in this position. Step number 2 is to find the latch on each seat corner, and simply you need to pull it, and the seat backrest will fall down. And now same thing on the other side. The good news is that you can go through the cargo zone and do it if you're tall enough. And just like that, the floor will be flat using these things over here, so both zones merge together. When time comes to put things back, you simply have to put back the seat backrest. Make sure it locks in place. You see this one didn't lock because of the seat belt. I'll have to go on the other side. So make sure the seat belt is not blocking the latch. Okay, and then put back the seat cushion. This is about it. If you found my video helpful, take a moment and leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.